What's up? What's up? What's up? Hold, wait, hold up, hold up. Fresh energy, fresh energy. What's up? What's up? What's up? Wait, I've been able to do this. I've always wanted to try this. Why doesn't it work for me? Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Ah, but I do not like this t-shirt. Anyway, let's go back. Aha, aha. As long as it worked, that's all that matters. What's up, what's up, what's up? So welcome to the first episode of the C# series. Believe me, you're not lost, you're not lost. So this is basically an introduction to programming or coding in the C# language, C# programming language basically. Unfortunately, we're not going to be coding in this episode, but yeah, I know, it's sad, it's sad. But don't hesitate, we're gonna start coding soon. The aim of this episode is basically to get you guys a bit acquainted with programming or coding and C#. Also, exciting news. So a couple of you might have heard me talking about giveaways. So yes, you got that right. I'll be having giveaways at random times throughout my YouTube journey. So be sure to never miss it. Obviously, the bigger the channel gets, the fatter the giveaways become. Easy as that. And also make sure to watch this video up until the end because there'll be an announcement about the first ever giveaways. Yes, you heard me right, giveaways, plural. There'll be more than one giveaway for the first set of giveaways which I'll be giving out. So make sure that you do not miss it for this video. Just watch throughout and you get a chance at your giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, before we continue, please subscribe. We'll wait for you. We are very patient. So let's get right into it. So the question which you guys might not be asking, and pretty much which you should be asking, that what is coding or programming? Coding or programming is basically English words translated into a computer language, which is binary. So for those of you who actually like to control your partner, try this. Programming could be your side partner and you can get to control it however you want to. I mean, if he doesn't want to be controlled, why not control the computer? I am certain that you guys have been hearing me talking about C# programming language, C# programming language, C# programming language, C# programming language. Question is, what is a programming language? Programming language is basically a formal language comprising a set of instructions, basically a set of instructions which produce various outputs. In essence, programming languages are used basically for computer programs to implement algorithms. As you know, for example, in South Africa we have 12 official languages, Spitori being one of the 12. Pretoria. All languages have a common goal, only one goal, which is to speak and communicate. Same applies to programming languages. Programming language, you can use it to communicate with the computer. That's basically it. So our programming language is going to be C#. Wait, C#, C#, C#. So C# is widely used for desktop applications, web applications, and also web services. Interesting fact, C# can also be used for game development. So C# is an OOP language. OOP language. So OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. So your question might be, what is OOP? You know what? We're not going to get into that now because you might actually get bored at all of these definitions and explanations which you might not need to use, but just to understand. A tool which we mostly going to need in this whole series is an IDE, which is Visual Studio. IDE stands for Integrated. What? Integrated Development. Oh, environment. Yeah, sorry. Integrated Development Environment. So, question is, what is an IDE? In my definition, once again, an IDE is basically an environment or an application which compiles and builds your code for you. So a perfect example of this is that a builder is an IDE, because a builder has 4 items: water, cement, concrete, and what's the other one? I said water. Cement, water, concrete, and sand. Oh yeah. Why would I forget sand? And sand. So he has those 4 items, and then what does he do with them? He actually compiles them into one thing called motor, aka daka, to build the house. So basically, it's the same principle. If you need a deeper meaning of this or a deeper explanation of this, here's the explanation of it. Yeah, it might be too complex and not. So if you do not understand it, whatever. We can just continue without. You'll see what is an IDE as we go along. So learning in general is quite boring. I don't want to lie to you, and let them not lie to you, especially when you're learning basics of basics. Well, learning. Yeah, especially if you're learning basics of basics, it's quite boring. So I'm going to be implementing projects, because for you, in order for you to learn or to enjoy learning programming, is through projects, because you're gonna be engaged with it and you'll be seeing magic happen right in front of your eyes. Yeah. So it will be quite interesting. We're gonna be having 2 playlists, one playlist of concepts, one playlist of projects. So basically, we'll be focusing on the project, and then if in a project we bump into a concept which you might want to learn more about or learn the basics of it about, I'll be putting in a link for you to actually check maybe the foundations of that basic concept which we will be implementing in the project. So I'll be having those videos on the side, but we'll be focusing on the projects so that we can have and do all of the fun stuff. In the next episode, we'll be starting with our very first project, which I call the email distributor. It's a fun one. So now the giveaway announcement. Yeah, you look very excited for this one. So the giveaway announcement is that there will be a giveaway for the first 2 people who will be the first 2 people to finish the email distributor. And I know your question might be, how am I gonna know who are the first 2 people to finish it? Believe me, the way we're gonna design or develop this application, it's gonna tell me who actually finished first and who finished second. Those 2 are gonna be the winners of the first giveaways, and I'll announce during the next coming episode what is the specific giveaway for the email distributor. So if you haven't, I'm gonna say it one more time in this video, please subscribe, like, and share this. I'd really appreciate it so much. And this is me to you saying see you next time in the next episode of the C# series.